In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on your Squarespace website. So let's dive in and get started. First, make sure you're on your Squarespace homepage. This is where we'll begin our journey toward crafting a brand new landing page. Once you're at your homepage, you'll want to go ahead and click on Website. This is going to lead you directly into the core area where all of your site customization occurs. Now, once you're there, look for the option labeled Pages. Clicking on Pages will take you to where your website's structure is displayed. It's like the blueprint of your site. Next, search for the section called Not Linked. This area is crucial because it contains pages that aren't currently navigable from your main website menu. When you find it, move your cursor over the Add button. Click on this plus icon to initiate the creation of a new page. Now, when you're presented with options for different types of pages, you're going to want to select Blank Page. Choosing a blank page gives you a clean slate, allowing you to structure your landing page exactly how you'd like. With the blank page now created, it's time to give it a name. Naming your page is an important step because it helps you keep everything organized. So go ahead and type the name you want for this fresh landing page. Make sure it's something that clearly communicates its purpose. Once named, you'll need to navigate back to that newly created page. Click on it to open it up. While you're there, find the gear icon associated with your newly created landing page. This icon is usually found next to the page name. Clicking on the gear icon will open up the settings for this page. In the Page Settings menu, look for the option that says Set as Homepage and click it. Setting this page as your homepage means it'll be the first thing visitors see when they go to your site. Now, Squarespace will prompt you with a confirmation message. Double-check that you've set everything up correctly. You're going to want to click on Confirm to make it official. And there you have it. You've successfully created and set a new landing page as your homepage on Squarespace. Remember, when you're creating content and customizing it, think about what information is most impactful for your visitors and what might help you achieve your goals. Feel free to experiment with different designs and layouts to ensure it aligns with your overall brand and message. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!